top 3 best English learning apps for beginners. If you're starting to learn English and looking for the right app to guide you, I've got you covered. Learning a new language is exciting, but it can also feel confusing when you're just beginning. Today we're breaking down the top 3 best English learning apps for beginners, what each one offers, what to watch out for, and who each is ideal for. Let's dive right in. 3. App focused on basic vocabulary and phrases. Starting at number 3 is an app designed specifically for beginners who are building their first vocabulary and learning everyday phrases. This kind of app is ideal if you're completely new to English and want a gentle, game-like introduction. The advantage here is simplicity. You start with very basic words, greetings, common objects, simple sentences, and you progress via bite-sized lessons. Many tasks are interactive. Matching, listening, repeating, multiple choice. This makes learning fun, not overwhelming. The first drawback is that at this stage you cover only the very basics. To reach conversational fluency, you still need a broader app or additional resource. Some free features might be limited and you'll have to deal with ads or premium upgrades. This app is perfect for someone who is just beginning English, wants to build confidence, and likes light, playful activities rather than intensive study. If you've never opened an English textbook, this is your best starting point. 2. App with grammar, listening, and speaking practice. At number 2 is an app that expands beyond vocabulary into core English skills, grammar, listening, comprehension, and speaking practice. This type of app helps you move from I know a few words to I can understand simple conversations. The major advantage is that it gives a more rounded experience. You get short lessons explaining grammar points, audio examples to train your ear, and simple speaking exercises where you repeat phrases or answer questions. The interactive nature keeps you engaged and helps reinforce what you learn. However, the trade-off is that lessons may require more concentration and aren't always as playful as beginner-only apps. If you switch away from the app for a few days, you may find yourself forgetting material. Also, free tiers might limit how many lessons you can do daily. This app is ideal for beginners who already know some English basics and want to build stronger foundations in speaking and listening. If you aspire to move from beginner to early intermediate and are okay investing a little time each day, go for this one. 1. Comprehensive English learning app for beginners. Taking the number 1 spot is a comprehensive English learning app designed for beginners but built to take you deeper. This app covers vocabulary, grammar, listening, speaking, and even cultural context in a step-by-step progression. It often includes spaced repetition features, interactive chats, pronunciation feedback, and milestone tracking. The biggest advantage is that it grows with you. You can start with very simple lessons and gradually move toward real-life conversation skills. The design keeps you motivated through progress tracking, daily goals, and reminders. Because it's beginner-friendly yet scalable, you don't quickly outgrow it. The major drawback is that because it offers so much, you might feel tempted to skip around rather than follow the path. Also, free versions may limit access to the best lessons or pronunciation tools unless you upgrade, but if you stay consistent, the value is very high. This app is ideal for someone who is serious about learning English, wants to develop full basic fluency, and prefers to use their phone as a main study tool. If you commit to daily practice, this is the most robust option on the list. Final thoughts. So there you have it, the top 3 best English learning apps for beginners. A vocabulary and phrase app hash 3 to ease in smoothly. A grammar, listening, speaking app ACU to build stronger foundations. A comprehensive app H that carries you from beginner stage into conversational skills. Before committing to one app, ask yourself, what is my goal? Do I just want basic communication? Do I want to understand and speak simple sentences? Or do I aim for comfortable conversation? Also consider how much time you're willing to spend each day and whether you prefer short, fun lessons or more structured learning.
Choose the app that fits your starting point, your schedule, and your mood. Language learning is a marathon, not a sprint, but with the right app, you can enjoy the journey and make real progress.
And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.